This road has no ending, and I'm still walking. Lights fade out one by one. The city breaks just like my memories. Footsteps echo in the void, but no one asks if I'm okay. Time bleeds through my hands. Promises lose their shape. That someday we once believed in. Now only silence remains. If I could still see you when I turn around, would I finally let myself slow down? I've walked this road for far too long. Even turning back feels like a luxury. Cutting pieces of the past away, but your name won't leave me. So let the night devour it all. Let my soul drift endlessly. If the end is nothing but the void, I'll still walk it out defiantly. The wind whispers in my ear, calling me a prisoner of my own will. I knew there was no escape, yet I stayed in the dark still. My heart turned into ashes long ago, yet I pretend I can be reborn. If this world has no answers, then I'm the question it ignores. If these tears still mean something, does it prove I'm still alive? I've walked this road for far too long. Even turning back feels like a luxury. Letting go of every last hope, but nothing explains anything. So let the pain tear me apart. Let madness take control.